Hello everyone, welcome again to the channel. Today we are checking Old Orchard Beach out. Old Orchard Beach is in Maine. It's a beautiful place, so we're gonna take a walk around and see what's going on. After this intro, we get right into the walk. Yeah, so it's a beautiful day. Here comes the riders. Couple of the shops they're open now. This is the Amusement Park where you get the rides, a roller coaster and all of that. They're not open yet because it's not Memorial Weekend yet. That's when everything officially kicks off. One thing I like to get when I'm here is the fried dough. This is the last car sports bar. Yeah, this is another great place to stop and get some seafood when you're in Old Orchard Beach. And this is the beach area over here. And that's the pier over there. Couple of people on the beach enjoying the day. It's a lovely day, very warm day, so yeah, people are out enjoying the day. Beautiful sun. Yeah, so we got some live music at the place called the Brunswick. After I'm done here shooting this video, I'm gonna go have a drink, listen to some music and just relax. Alright, so this is the Brunswick from the entrance at the front, street entrance. And then there's a beach entrance also. This is the pier.
Which way are we going?
Straight.